to start writing in LaTeX, we are going to be using the overleaf interface. So the overleaf is designed to make the process of writing, editing, and producing your LaTeX papers easier and quicker. So first of all, you need to create a free account at overleaf.com. So this is their page. You just put here your email address, you make up a password, and sign up for free. So that would be the way to get an account. Once that you have an account, you can always log in with your account. I'm going to log in with my email address and password, and here I am. So in general, you will have here a list of projects. So in this, if it's the first time that you are accessing, you will have no projects. In any case, what we want to do is to create a new project. So let's click here, new project. And so here we want a blank project. So blank project, and you will put here your project name. So whatever you want to put, my first paper. Create. So here is the first paper. So this is the interface in Overleaf looks like. So you are going to be writing in this side, and you are going to be compiling, and your paper is going to be appearing in the right side. So we chose a blank document. Still, even if we chose blank, LaTeX still complete with something. We don't want that, so we are going to get rid of all that, delete. So now we have a true blank document here. So what we are going to do with this blank document, we are going to visit the template that I gave to you in the site of the class. And so this template that you got, you are going to use to copy and paste. So we are going to copy everything in the template. So we go all the way until the end. So we copy everything. So we are going to do copy. And so we are going to come back to the first paper, this one that we have empty, and here we are going to paste. So here it is. So we have, by doing the copy and paste, we are going to compile now, and we are going to have your first paper. Now your paper looks like this. So let's start by analyzing how we are going to use this template to write our own paper. So first of all, this part of the paper here is what is called the preamble of the paper. So for the moment, we are going to leave it more or less as it is, except in the part that says here title template. So we see that this is the title of the paper here. So instead of template, you can put here whatever title you want for your paper. So for instance, suppose that you are doing unit 1, problem 5. So you may want that as your title. So you change that, and so you compile, and there is your new title. So that's the idea of the template, to use it to learn, just modify a little thing. Here where it says author, we see here to put your name. Well, you should put your name there. I'm going to put my name, and I'm going to compile. And so here will appear my name. So we will focus now on explaining the structure of a LaTeX document, introducing various functions and symbols to understand how to write, edit, and produce your first document. So for instance, just to writing text, you will write just typing naturally, for instance. So in order to write just text, just type, and I compile, and we will see that disappear here. In order to write just text, just type. So just regular text, you will just write it in here, compile, and see it in the other side. Be sure that you compile often. You do like a small change and compile, so if you get any error, you will know where the error is. So you should look at the structure of the document here. Every time that is written, the section here will make a section in the document in the right. To write mathematical formulas, you should see here how to do that. The idea is that it's always putting a dollar sign to start the formula and a dollar sign to finish the formula. So for instance, I can write here this formula, 6x squared minus 5x to the, and I want to put another exponent like 4n minus 1, and then plus 6x minus 1 equals 0. So it's a long expression, and so it's enclosed between dollar signs. And compile this, and here we have this expression. We can see this part bigger if you want in this cell, so here will be the expression that I just wrote. So you have in this template here several things to try. Be sure that you do that. You have here how to put any symbol that will start with a backslash, and how to put any command, like for instance to write a fraction. This is a command that also starts with backslash and have this argument. This is a fraction where you will put the numerator over the denominator here. So that's the way to write fractions in LaTeX. Also, to make sections and subsections, your document will be more organized. And one more thing, in order to include a picture in the paper, this will be the syntax to include the picture, but we can see already that LaTeX is giving us an error here. This is because this file that I'm trying to include here, frog, is not uploaded in Overleaf. So I will need to go to my desktop and find the frog picture, and I'm going to bring it here and upload it, upload the picture, and here it is. So now I have frog here, so I can recompile, and here will be, so the frog will be included now in my paper. Okay, so you have here several ways to write systems of equations. Be sure that you revise them all. So once that you are done, that you are happy with your final paper, so in the right you will have your PDF. So you just need to download the PDF. You will download the PDF, and there will be in your computer to upload wherever you need to upload to.